We're with Ryan Tegnelia. Ryan is a criminal attorney in San Diego, California. We are here to answer a couple of online questions that were posted specifically related to drug crimes. So Ryan, with that said, let me go through or ask questions that were posted. The first question was from Laura. She said, why are illegal substances classified, or why are illegal substances classified, and what does that mean for a case? Or I think she meant to say, how are they classified and what does that mean for a case?
Well, they're classified based off of what they are. So, you have one classification for, the party drugs, cocaine and heroin and all that. And then you've got another classification for prescription drugs with, Vicodin and Oxycontin and all that. And then you have, there's a different other code section for like steroids and sort of the more exotic controlled substances. For the most part, it doesn't really have an effect on the case. I mean, it affects in some instances, like, which statute you're charged with and sort of what number is on the charging document. But generally speaking, they're treated the same way. So if you're referring to, stuff you see on TV as far as, a Class A felony versus a Class C and all that, we don't have that in California. And the classes for the substances are just purely a creature of the health and safety code.
Okay. Well, Ryan, this next question was from Shay, and it's directed directly at you, and it's pretty short. But how much will it cost for you to represent me in my drug case?
It depends on what you're charged with. I mean, if it's a simple possession case, those cases are fairly straightforward, and they might not take a whole lot of time. If it's a complicated, drug possession for sales case where it's likely to go to trial because, you were caught with a bunch of it on you, but you're claiming it wasn't, it wasn't all yours, or you were going to use all of it, or, something like that, that's going to take a lot longer and obviously cost more money. So generally speaking, when a lawyer looks at pricing a drug case, it's pretty simple. What are they charged with? What are the amount of drugs? How much money is involved, if anything? And what's the nature and effectiveness of the defense, and how likely is the case to go to trial? And so when asking for a price, it's better to sit down with the attorney, give them a better idea of what your case is about, and they can better assess, how much of their time it's going to take and what a fair fee would be.
Okay. Next question was from Jessica. Jessica says, I know my boyfriend is selling cocaine. Can I go to jail for not turning him in, even if I don't sell myself?
No, most states don't have what are called Good Samaritan laws, which, require you to either render assistance to someone or to turn someone else in. And so as long as you're not helping him, you can't really be charged with anything. But you can't, obviously you can't assist him in any way. You can't package it for him. You can't count the money. You can't, do anything that helps him, in his drug enterprise. But strictly speaking, just your presence in the home or your awareness that he's doing it, outside of your presence, no, that doesn't give you any criminal culpability.
All right, excellent. Well, if you have any other questions for Ryan, just post them in the comments section at the bottom. He's agreed to get back and answer your questions.
Yep, and it's always great to hear from everybody. So if you want to speak to me directly, please give me a call at 619-577-0868. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Ryan.